In today's video, we're going to be going over how to utilize the meal planner and cheat sheet and how to create easy on-the-go recipes which are easy to execute. To begin with, every single meal that you have is going to comprise of a protein source, your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner. And the hardest bit is simply just choosing what protein you want to have for that meal. For today's example, and I'm going to quickly show you how easy it is to whip up different recipes, we've just selected chicken. So this is 250 grams raw. It worked out to be around 180 grams cooked. So we've got our chicken serving there. Next up, we've got to choose our carb source. I've just got a whole different range of carb sources that you could use. These all represent one serving. So I've got one normal size wrap. We've got 2 pieces of bread. We've got a cup of pasta, we've got 300 grams of potato, and we've got a cup of cooked rice. From here, we add our fats, which is going to be obviously our cooking spray and the sauces that we use. Remember, you're going to save a whole heap of calories with the cooking spray, and with the sauces, the 2 main ones I recommend is obviously the FODMAPs, and I actually found these recently. They're called Simply Wholesome. They're found in the health food aisle. And also opting towards those lower calorie sources, so 99% fat-free, 99% sugar-free. And finally, adding a whole heap of veg. So it's normally your salad, your steamed veg, and your sauteed vegetables. So let's quickly go over how to create quick meals. So to begin with, we've got our protein source is going to be our chicken. Option number 1 could be a chicken sandwich with some salad in it. Recipe number 1. Recipe number 2, pretty similar. Chicken in a wrap with some salad. Second recipe using the same protein source. Recipe number 3, let's go chicken with some pasta, our 1 cup of cooked pasta. We're going to use our sauce and we're going to add some veg through it. So meal number 1, 2, 3, 4. Next up, we're going to do chicken with about 300 grams of potato, and we're going to have a salad on the side. Meal number 4. Meal number 5, more or less like a chicken burrito style bowl. Chicken, we've got our cooked rice, and we're going to have a salad on the side. Meal number 5. Like we said before, you could switch out for, say, some veg. So it could be some chicken with the rice and the veg. You know, that's another quick and easy meal. But as you can see, the hardest part out of all this is simply just choosing the protein source you're going to use. Most meals all fall into these 4 categories of proteins, carbs, fat, veg. And it's simply just choosing what is going to be the main staple piece for each of those categories. From there, it's really easy to put together, but the key piece is make sure you've got enough protein. Secondly, manage that carb source. Make sure it's within the range we've set. If you're a little bit underneath, especially in a fat loss phase, it doesn't really matter. With your fats, keep total calories allocated under 180. And finally, add a whole heap of veg. Anything green, red, colorful, this is the good stuff. Full of micronutrients, and you can't really go wrong by eating a lot of this stuff. Just manage the sauces and manage the oils that you add to it.